Hello everyone, Dave here from Charest Studios, and I'm out here with my apple tree. It's a beautiful day, and this is my apple tree behind me. I'm not sure of the variety, it's an old variety, but we love it. It gave us a lot of apples last year, despite the fact that I didn't prune it like I should. But now is a good time to prune. You can also do it late fall, but you definitely want to do it before it starts setting buds and starting to leaf out. So I'm going to go ahead and prune this up today, and I'll show you guys a little bit about how to do it and the different tools we use. And then I'm going to do I'll do a time lapse of the whole process and show you what it looks like after. So as you can see, it's very overgrown. All those shoots that are going straight up, those are called suckers. Those have to come off. And this will, taking all those off will give your tree a lot more energy for fruit production. And it will just make your tree look better. Like this tree is, it should have been done last year, and I think I did part of it, and maybe I didn't finish. Just had a lot going on. But definitely time to prune this baby up. So let me show you what I got for tools for this job. I used to be a tree guy years ago, and we took care of some orchards where I was the main guy pruning a lot of the orchard trees, and we'd use the chainsaw for 90% of it, 95% of it. But you can use one of these pruning saws, and I recommend this brand particularly because it works really well. They cut really amazingly well, and I'll put an affiliate link to this as well as the chainsaw that I like to use. But you can do the whole job with one of these if you're on a budget, or you just don't mind doing a little bit more labor. It might take a little longer, but these will work just fine. You'll get the whole job done within a couple hours with that. But I like this. Any chainsaw will do. Of course, smaller and lighter the better. Not too small though. I like about this size. You could go for a really small one, but I think this is gonna be a little heavier, but it's gonna make quick work out of it. This is a Greenworks, and I'll put an affiliate link to it. I got this model. There was a previous model, and some of the reviews mentioned there was a tensioner problem. So I got this one, and I haven't had any trouble with it. I really like it. I haven't had it a whole lot of time though, so I've only had it for this season, well, since last year we bought it. But I have given it a lot of work with the firewood and stuff, and I'm pretty confident it's a good unit. I just don't know, how long it's going to last, but I'm pretty happy with it. So guys, I forgot to mention these and also hand pruners come in handy when doing this work, and I use these quite a bit as well, as you'll see when you watch the time-lapse part of it. So those came in handy, the saw, and like I say, you could also have some hand pruners. So anyway, I'll put a link to that. And yeah, what we want to do is get rid of all those ones that are going straight up, and this thing should have a nice, almost like an umbrella shape when you're done. So you want to just cut off any of those ones that are going straight up, like this guy here. So this one is going straight up, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut that off. And you want to cut right off at the base. Trying to hold the camera and the saw. So that's how you want it, guys. And make sure you get your debris out of the tree. So I'm going to go ahead and get busy on this. I'll set up the action cam on a time lapse. Okay, so it's all finished. The tree is looking much better now, and let me show you guys a closer look. But I I did a pretty good job on it. I think it looks good. You know, you want to take out all the dead wood and all those suckers. So I got it looking pretty good. You could always find a couple more, but I think I'm satisfied with how it looks. And you know, I got a cherry, and it's a blossoming cherry. It's not an actual fruit tree, but I got that, and I got the 2 other apples to do. So that'll be another day. But this one's done. Let me show you guys what it should look like when it's done. So I don't know if this is a good angle from up here, but you can see, like I said, you want that kind of a rounded umbrella-like shape to it. You want to remove all those uprights, and you want to get all the dead wood off. So, you know, there were a few more, like, you know, I could definitely come in and get this one. It's not going straight up, but it definitely probably shouldn't be there. And there's some little tiny ones that are going up, so I could still get my hand pruners out here and get rid of a few of these little ones like this here. But overall, I think that's pretty darn good. And so that's kind of what it should look like, you know, when it's done. So thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below and I'll get back to you. Remember, take care of yourself, take care of each other, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.